Children, in this video we are going to learn triangle chapter exercise 2.3 8 and 9 sums. In that first we'll see the 8 sum now. E is a point on the side AD produced of parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. This is a question they have given. They did not give the diagram here. We should draw the diagram first. What diagram we have to draw here? Parallelogram ABCD we have to draw. Parallelogram means it is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. All you know that. And in the parallelogram, opposite angles will be equal and parallel. Sorry, opposite sides will be equal and parallel, and opposite angles will be equal. That you should remember. Already you learned those properties of parallelogram in 9th standard. Which are the properties of a parallelogram? Properties of parallelogram are, in parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel and opposite angles are equal. That you have to keep in mind. See, ABCD is a parallelogram and E is a point on the side AD produced. We draw on parallelogram ABCD. One more point E is there where it is. Yeah, if you produce this AD side, then the point E will come. E is a point on the side AD produced of parallelogram. You have to extend this D side like this, means here E is there. E, then what they have given ABCD and BE intersects. If you want to get the BE line, means you have to join B to E. Like this you have to join it. Okay, now BE intersects CD. Here it is CD at a point F. This point where this BE intersecting at a CD is called as a point F. This is they have given. What we want to prove here? What we want to show? Show that triangle ABE. Which triangle? ABE means this triangle. ABE and CFB. CFB are similar. We want to prove. What they told to prove, those two triangles we have to consider. We'll see the solution now. Solution is, in triangle ABE and triangle CFB. ABE and CFB. I already told you what is the property of parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite angles will be equal. Here, angle A and angle C are equal, right? So, in a triangle EABE, we can write EAB angle EAB is equal to, in this triangle, BCF FCB. FCB. What is the reason for this? Why these two angles are equal? Opposite angles in a parallelogram. Opposite angles in parallelogram. You have to write the reason for this. Parallelogram. Next to one angle we got it. One more is, you see, AB is parallel to CD because we know that opposite sides are parallel in the parallelogram. If these two lines are parallel and this EB is a transversal, if you are taking these two angles, just you observe this like this. If you are taking Z shape in this angle and this angle, Z shape means interior alternate angles are equal. Two lines are parallel and one transversal is there. These two angles are called as a interior alternate angles. Always interior alternate angles will be equal if the lines are parallel. Therefore, in the triangle ABE angle only you have to take. ABE is equal to, in this triangle, CFB. Both angles are equal. What is the reason for this? For this is the reason. For this reason is interior alternate angles. This is the reason for this. Now you see, two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of the other triangle. Therefore, if two angles are equal, means we can say these two triangles are similar by AA criteria. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by AA criteria. This we got the result. Now we'll see the ninth sum. In figure, here they only given the diagram. ABC and AMP are two right triangles. Right triangle means in a triangle one angle will be equal to 90 degree. Right angled at B in a triangle ABC 90 degrees at a point B. In a triangle AMP 90 degrees at a point M. Respectively, prove that. What we want to prove here? Prove that they have given. Prove that first one ABC is similar to AMP. These two triangles ABC is similar to AMP we want to prove. Which triangles you want to prove similar? No, those triangles you have to consider. We'll see the solution now. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, observe the diagrams. See, in both the triangles 90 degrees there. You can equate those two angles, right? So in triangle ABC at a point B 90 degrees there. So I can write that as a ABC is equal to in a triangle AMP at point M 90 degrees there. So I can write that as a AMP. Both angles are equal to 90 degree. One angle is equal, we got it. And one more thing you observe here. Angle A is common for both the triangles. For triangle ABC also, for triangle AMP also. So I can write that angle as a common angle. So in triangle ABC I can write that as a CAB. In triangle AMP I can write that as a MAP. Why? These triangles are equal, common for both the triangles. Now by AA criteria we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP by AA criteria. Now second result, this is the first result we proved. Now second result we'll see. See, we got to know that these two triangles are similar, no? If the triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in the same ratio. How will you identify the corresponding sides? Always sides opposite to equal angles are corresponding sides. So in this you see, just you observe in triangle ABC 90 degree opposite AC is there, or you can write that as a CA also. So CA in the triangle ABC 90 degree opposite CA is there. In the triangle AMP 90 degree opposite MPA is there. We can write AP also, but result we want to get CA in the CPA. So I'm writing like this is equal to. Now one more thing you observe, we written common angle. Common angle is there for both the triangles. So in the triangle ABC, A opposite which side is there? BC. BC divided by, in the triangle AMP, A opposite MP is there. MP. This is the result, second result we want to prove. What is the reason for this? Corresponding sides are in the corresponding sides of similar triangles, because already we know the triangle ABC and AMP are similar triangles. If triangles are similar means corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. By that we can say second result. Thank you. Sorry. In the next video we are going to study 10th and 11th sums. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.